Hello guys and welcome to lesson 7 of my CapCut beginner masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur video background in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. To blur this video background, the first thing you need to do is to duplicate this video clip. To do that, select this clip and hold down Alt key and drag this clip one track above to duplicate it. Now select the top layer over here and come over to the video tab. Under the video tab, right next to basic, you want to select remove background. Depending on your version of CapCut, what you may see may be cut out. Scroll down under auto remover, and if I come over to this layer over here and hide this track, you will notice that automatically the background of this track has been removed. Now what we need to do is to blur this bottom layer. To do that, toggle on this bottom layer and select it. Next, come over to the effects tab over here and search for the blur effect and apply blurriness onto this bottom layer over here. You can come over here and adjust the strength of blurriness. And as you can see, the background of this clip here has been made blur. And that's it guys on how to blur video background in CapCut PC.